How to create a drop down arrow in your MS Excel sheet. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily create an drop down list in your MS Excel sheet. So here we have this particular data which consists of month, both the profits and then the department. So in case you want to add a drop down list so that the user can simply select their respective departments using a drop down list, then you can follow this simple step. So as you can notice, this Excel document contains two sheets. The first sheet is the actual data, and the another sheet just contains the list of the departments which will go in the drop down list. So in order to add a drop down list, move back to the sheet 1 and then click onto that particular cell where you want to add the drop down list. Then from here you need to click onto this data tab, and under the data tab you need to click on data validation under the data tools. Once you will click onto this data validation, you can see this dialog box that appears right here. Now from here you need to go under the settings, and under the settings you can see validation criteria. From here change this any value using this drop down arrow to list, and once you have successfully selected list, you need to specify the source of the data which will go in this list. So simply click onto this upload option for the source, and then from here you need to go to the sheet 2 and select all of the departments listed within the department section. And once you are done with this, click onto this button right here in this dialog box, and once you will do this, you can see that the source formula has been updated. Then click onto this OK button and you are all set. Now you can see that whenever you will click onto this particular cell or column, a drop down arrow will appear, and from here a person can easily choose their department like this. Also, you can simply drag and fill these values to the other cells of the column as well. And currently it is showing technical, but anyone can change it like this as I am showing right here. So that's how easily you can create a drop down list in MS Excel. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.